Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question. Our today's question is: a welder has passed the welder qualification test in 3G and 4G position on a groove welded joint test coupon prepared from a 16 thick mild steel plate. In which of the following positions is he qualified to perform fillet welding on both plate and pipe? So the welder has been qualified in 3G and 4G position in group joints. So the question is for fillet qualification. In which of the following positions is he qualified to perform fillet welding? I'll give you 2 second time. Please write the answer in the comment box if you know. So okay, hopefully you would have wrote the answer. Now coming to the question back. See, if any welder is been qualified in 3G and 4G position, he can weld all positions in fillet joint. For fillet joints, there is no restriction. He can weld in all position in fillet joint. And this is given in table QW 461.9. I have explained this table so many times in my different videos. In fact, I have made several videos on welder qualification test range and qualification limits and ranges. So in that video also I have explained all these things. So for the time being, the correct answer is, if a welder is qualified in 3G and 4G position, he can weld all positions in fillet welding. I am repeating, in fillet welding he can weld all position, and this is given in table QW 461.9. Now my question for you: a welder has passed the performance qualification in 3G and 4G on a groove welded test coupon prepared from a 16 thick mild steel plate. In which of the following positions is he qualified to perform groove joint on a plate? So this time there is something different. The welder is qualified in 3G and 4G position, that is okay. But the question is about group joint. Earlier the question was in fillet joint, and in fillet joint our answer was all position. But in group joint, what will be the answer? So I have explained this table QW 461.9 earlier in my videos. Please go to my video and learn that table, and then you can answer this question. So I expect you will write the answer in the comment box. Also, the same question is available on my website, that is www.weldingandentity.com. you can visit my website, and there also you can learn the answer. So please work on this question and write the answer in the comment box. This is my sincere request to you. And before moving forward, I would request you to please join my channel. Joining is very simple and very easy, and it is very cheap for you, and it will mean a lot for me. So friends, I would request you to please join my channel, and we have come to an end of our today's video. Thank you very much.